All right, math crew, here it is, math lesson 11, the Green Book questions. Okay, starting on page 113. What is the greatest amount you could pay in quarters without exceeding the amount? So what's the biggest amount that you could use quarters to pay for without going over the amount that they are showing? Draw the quarters to show your answer. So for 45 cents, how many quarters could you pay without it being bigger than 45 cents? Okay, so for each of these, you're going to put the biggest amount you could pay in quarters. Number 2, find the greatest amount you could pay in quarters. Oh, same thing, but this time we're going to represent the amount remaining using the least number of coins. Okay, so 82 cents. Counting by 25s, 25, 50, 75, $1. $1 is too big, so they said 75 cents we could pay in quarters. To figure out how much is left, you're going to subtract 75 from 82, or count up, depending which way you feel like doing it. So they needed 7 more cents, so they did a 5 cents, or a nickel, and then 2 pennies. Okay, so you'll figure out the amount in quarters, how much is left, and the coins that will give you the amount left. Trade coins to make each amount with the least amount of coins. Draw a picture in your notebook to show your final answer. Now you don't have actual coins to trade in here, so you're going to have to use imaginary ones, which isn't ideal. If your parents have some change kicking around, or you could make some little paper coins. Anyway, so 2 5s, right? You could trade those in and you could get a dime, or 2 10s and a 5. You could trade those 3 coins in for a quarter. 4 quarters, how many quarters make up a loonie, right? So you can, what you're gonna do is draw the coins that have the fewest number of coins that make the same value of what they've given you. Show how you could trade the amounts for the least number of coins. So you're going to have to figure out the amount. This one's 6 quarters. Figure out how much that is, and then figure out how you could have that money with less coins. 6 dimes and 2 nickels, 8 loonies, 9 loonies and 5 dimes, 10 loonies, 6 dimes, 2 nickels, and 5 pennies. You might also find that whiteboard that I made that had the values of each of the coins really helpful for this one. Okay, so we're at page 116. Find the number of coins you need to make the amount in the right-hand column of the chart. Hint, count up by quarters until you're close to the amount as possible, then count on by dimes, and so on. Okay, so this chart has a lot of columns, so that's our goal there, is we want to get to 83 cents. Okay, so if we start with 3 quarters, that would be 75 cents. So this is number of quarters, subtotal how much you've got so far, number of dimes, and then subtotal add on whatever you counted on by dimes, number of nickels, and then the subtotal, notice how it changed because there was a nickel, so the amount you had went up. Number of pennies, and then the total amount here. Write the greatest amount you could pay in $20 bills without exceeding the amount. So again, greatest is the biggest amount you could pay in $20 bills without going over the amount given. So for $45, how much could you pay in $20 bills? 20? Bet you could probably go higher. 60? That's too many. Probably 40 would be the one that would work here. Write the number of each type of bill or coin that you would need to get the amounts in bold. Okay, so here's the amounts in bold down here. So that's your goal. For the first row, your goal is $21. So they couldn't use any $50 bills. They used one $20 bill, no $10 bills, no $5 bills, no toonies, 1 loonie, right? So then we had 21, which met our goal here. Number 4, draw the least number of coins you need to make the following amounts. So try to make this money with the fewest number of coins possible. Number 5, draw the least number of coins and bills you need to make the following amounts. So now they're just giving you bigger numbers, so you're going to need to use some bills as well. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know.